how to log in into your X account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will show you how you can easily log in into your X account, whether you're using your phone or a desktop. So let's just get started. First of all, open up the X app on your phone, and if you're on your computer, head to x.com. But if you're on the app, just look for the login button after you have successfully logged in. So you can find this login option here. Here you can enter your phone and email address and your username in order to log in. After you have successfully entered your username, and then you need to enter your password. And after you have successfully entered your password as well, if you have any kind of two-factor authentication enabled, X will ask you to verify your identity. Check your phone or email for the verification code and enter it when you're prompted. And once you've entered all the details, simply tap on the login and to your account to access your X account. And now you should be logged in and taken to your home feed, and you can start browsing tweets and sending posts or interacting with your followers. And that is it. Now you know how to log in into your X account. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop any questions if you have in the comments below. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.